And I want to thank everyone for joining me on the webinar tonight. First off, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. Everything on this webinar is for informational purposes only. Now, let's get into it. First of all, like I told you a couple of nights ago, that these Bitcoin cloud mining apps are set up so you earn small amount of Bitcoin daily, 24/7. You're not going to become rich overnight with these cloud mining apps. Okay, this is set up for you to think like a hedge fund manager, a banker. So you need to have, your plan set out for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 30 years out. So if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, go ahead and jump off the webinar. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and stop with this video and go ahead and watch some hood rap video about some woman that's want a man making $1 million a year, and she's not making $1 million a year, but she wants a man that's making $1 million a year. Some cat videos or some music videos that got all kind of cursing in it and calling women bees and stuff like that just want to disrespect people. Because like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is a get rich quick, because these cloud mining apps, like I said, help you earn Bitcoin 24/7. So as the price of Bitcoin increases, your holding increases, just like your 401k. Every time you get paid, you contribute money into your 401k or your Roth IRA. It doesn't make you become wealthy overnight or within a month or within a year. So why you think Bitcoin and other crypto is going to do the same thing for you? Now, I know a lot of videos that you see online about cryptos, including Bitcoin, because some people like to distinguish Bitcoin from other cryptos, but just they say you might hear a term called DCA, dollar cost averaging. And the only time your crypto holdings increase is when you buy. Well, I don't want you to buy. Well, you can, but this, what I'm getting ready to show you tonight, helps you earn Bitcoin 24/7. So now you're not worrying about whether the price of Bitcoin is going up, going down, or just trading sideways. You just want to know that your holdings is increasing. What you hold is increasing 24/7. And everything else will take care of its own. Okay? Now, the Bitcoin cloud mining app that I'm going to introduce to you tonight is strictly on the Apple platform. So if you're an Android user, you will need to purchase an Apple device. Okay? And what I want you to do is, once you go into the Apple Store and put in the search box Bitcoin mining. And once you do, I want you to look for this particular icon. Now, this icon is different from the first app that I introduced to you a couple of nights ago. Okay? So you'll know which app you need to download. So once you've downloaded the app, I want you to go ahead and register with the app so you can get inside of the app. Now, once you become a user of the app, and I almost forgot about this, every time that you sign out and then you log back in, because that's what I do, because I don't want, well, my phone is set up so nobody can't do a SIM swap on me, but just in case something fails and somebody's able to do a SIM swap on me, they can't get into my Bitcoin apps and steal my crypto. Okay, this app or any other of my crypto apps that I'm using, I always sign out of them when I'm finished. Now, from the app that I introduced to you a couple of nights ago, with this particular app, once you on the home screen, you need to click on this check mark every time, because if you don't, if you just click on it, it'll give you that warning about reading the terms and agreement and the conditions. So all you got to do is click on it. It's going to turn blue. Then just click on Apple, that button, so you can get inside the app. Now, as you can see, this number is constantly moving. Now, we're going to get back to that. With this app, I want you to look in the lower right-hand corner. I want you to click on Profile, just like on the previous app. Now, see, my referral code has changed. When you're looking at it on your screen, this is going to be your referral code. So write down my referral code, which is AIYJLW. I want you to click on the invitation code button. This box will appear. That's where you put my code in, and then click confirm so you can get registered with me. And I just showed you how to register manually. So if you share this with someone and they claim that their link is not working, then they can still register with you. Now, the reason I want you to go ahead and register with me before you start earning any Satoshi, because after you register with me, I want you to take a screenshot of this page and email it to me. And then click on the home button, which is in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. And I want you to send that screenshot to me. That way, with this particular app, I'm giving people a yearly complimentary vacation. In that app, I need you to tell me what city and state, or what city and country that you live in. Because like here in the United States, you have Buffalo, New York. Now, I don't know about other other countries, or how you work, but like I said, just give me the city and the city and the state that you live in, or the city and the country if it's not broken down by particular state, and I will send you a complimentary vacation, yearly vacation, somewhere close to you. Okay? So that's why I need you to go ahead and register with me before you start earning any Satoshi, because I don't want you to miss out on any earnings or any giveaways or anything like that I'm giving away to people. Okay? Now, the way this app is a little bit different from the app that I introduced to you a few nights ago. Remember when it turned at midnight, because I hadn't watched any ads, I hadn't clicked on any buttons or activated my monitors, I stopped earning. Well, I haven't watched anything yet with this app. I hadn't clicked on any buttons, I hadn't watched any ads yet. But I'm still earning. Now, if it got to the point where this number had stopped, I would still be earning in the background, because as soon as I click that claim button, this number would show my current earnings. So this is one particular thing I like about this app. Now, some people might say, well, why are you not promoting this app over the previous app? Well, the reason I haven't, because there've been times I've emailed the developers of this app. I've had a question about something and they never responded back to me. So that kind of rubbed me the wrong way. That kind of made me like, okay, well, you really don't care about the people that's using your app. And I eventually figured it out. I haven't referred anyone. As you can see, this shows what's I have available to earn. And of course, this number is always going to be different from this number because this is your current earnings. It just hadn't settled up yet. So it's not available. Everything's not available for you to withdraw. And like I said, these two numbers will always be different. But you do receive a bonus for referring people to this app. And after they start earning, you do receive a referral bonus. Now, this button you need to click every calendar day. And it gives you 4 hours of mining power. This button here on the right are ads. And you see it gives you 24 hours of free mining power. This gives you 4 hours of free mining power. So this is another app where somebody can say, I lost money. It's a Ponzi scheme. No, it's neither one, because I just showed you on how to earn Bitcoin for free. And of course, you got, and this is on another screen also, these are different contracts you can buy. So you can earn your Bitcoin and then purchase contracts, or you can purchase the contracts and just earn the Bitcoin to make your the money that you spent back. So not either way, you playing with house money. Um, these are only 10 ads you have to watch. But with this app, let's say for instance, it's Sunday. It's Sunday morning and you start watching ads at 8 o'clock. And let's say you watch 9 ads between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. You watch 9 ads. And let's say the 10th ad that you watch, you don't watch that one until 10 o'clock Sunday night. Well, because these ads, like I said, run 24 hours, you won't be able to click on this button again, nor this button again until 10 o'clock, well, 10:01 or 10:02 on Monday night. Where the other app that I showed you, it resets at midnight every night. This particular app resets when the last ad finishes. So let's just say, for instance, you clicked on it at 10 o'clock and it ran to 10:01. Well, on Sunday night. So now you won't be able to click these buttons again until 10:01 Monday night. Okay, so I just want to make that clear to you. Make yourself familiar with the FAQ section. I want you to click on Market. This is where you can purchase different contracts. And you see that buy one, get one free. And like I said, you can buy them, then earn your income back for what you purchased for them. Or you can just earn enough Bitcoin and then buy them that way. And like with the previous app, with this app also, you have to buy them through the Apple Store. Okay. Also, these particular app, each one that you buy is yours. It's not a subscription. It's permanently yours. Then we're going to click on Wallet. This is where you make your withdrawals. This number shows what's available for you to withdraw. You just click on withdraw. Now, this particular app only uses the Lightning Network. Like I said, this particular app only uses the Lightning Network. And see, they use speed and ZBD. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm at work. I'm not sure if the internet at work is what's making it log out for some reason. But You already know about the Speed Wallet, how to use the Speed Wallet. If not, just go and put in the search box on YouTube, Speed, Lightning Net, Lightning Network Wallet, and you will come up with a lot of different videos showing you the different Lightning Network wallets and how to use them. Okay. And then we're going to click on profile. And this brings you back to your profile page. If you want to invite someone to use this particular app, click on invite friends or share. Again, it's going to create a link so people can register with you. You can email it to them, text it to them, DM them, put it as a social post. If you have any questions or concerns about the app, click on contact us. That's how you email them. Hopefully, because I did leave a not so nice email to them about not answering emails and things like that, about and saying how they must don't care about us, and we're the people that's using your app, helping to keep you successful. Even though yes, we are becoming successful also, but that's just not very good customer service. So I haven't emailed them at the time of me doing this webinar. So I don't know if they've read my email or if they responded to it or anything like that. But I'm after doing this webinar, I'm gonna contact them again just to see where we stand. But like I said, you can just email them or either email me if you're watching this on my website. There's an email icon there, and you can contact me that way. If you got any questions about the app, or if you're watching on YouTube, it's in my description. My email address is in the description. So I've just showed you on how the app works. These two buttons here at the top on how you can mine for free, how you can use house money, as we say here in the United States, use house money and not pay anything out of pocket to purchase Bitcoin mine contracts. Also on how you can qualify to receive a yearly complimentary vacation, and on how to make withdrawals. So everyone, thank you for joining me on the webinar tonight. And I pray that everyone has a great and blessed night or day or morning, wherever you are on earth.